Okay, let's prepare everything for the next project. Cup of coffee, paint, all kind of different paints, more paint and gesso, and then we have here something under painting and a canvas that I don't want anymore. Hi, good morning, here's Karin. Nice that you watch again my video. Today I will make some art projects. I will make a painting and I take you with me in the process of doing. First, let's start with a cup of coffee because it's early in the morning, it's grey outside, it rains, it's really such a grey day. So as I showed you before, I use a canvas that I bought at Ikea, and it's there is a print on it. It has a bit of plastic feeling to it. And to paint on this canvas, I first need to put a priming layer, and I use therefore gesso. This is especially for art canvas. It's a very good way to prime your frame, your canvas, your fabric. You can also use this on a wooden panel you want to paint on it. That doesn't matter. It's useful for any surface when you want to do an art painting above it. You can use it for oil paintings, for acrylic paintings. It's really a very good thing to have if you like to do art projects. I did my first layer, it has to dry. I will certainly do a second, maybe a third, so I get a white canvas and I can start my painting with you. In between I will test out some colors. I got some testers here. This is testers from a Dutch company who makes paint, especially for wall and for wood painting, but you can also use it as art paint. And I have all kinds of different greens, and I have 3 different kinds of gold, because as you see I want to make a gold green painting. So I want to test it out and look how the different colors look like and match with each other. Color that I have available. I like these two because these have a bit a lighter, a cooler tone. This is more yellowish. So I think I'm gonna mix these two and I will get the perfect color I have in mind, or I do different layers so it gets more depth in the painting. And these are 3 different gold paints. I like this and this one. I must say this one is okay. It's not a perfect coverage. This covers better. But this one is a wall painting and it's the most amazing gold I ever saw. It's from a Dutch company, Histor Gold. It's water-based, but it stinks, so it's interesting combination. But the gold is very, very shiny, which I really love.
1/3 of the painting of the canvas I will paint in this green shades, and 1/3 I want to use the gold paints. You see, I use all kinds of different shades of green. That gives more depth to the painting and it looks more interesting. So this part I will paint with this gold paint, which is actually oil-based and not water-based. That's why it's also very, very stinky, so you have to ventilate very well the room. But it looks amazing, it has a beautiful shine to it, and I really love to work with this.
So for the last part of the painting, I would like to put some different kind of gold paint and have a look if that gives a bit more structure. It's about the same color. I bought these foil flakes in gold at Søstrene Grenes. That's a Danish company. You can order it online. I will leave the link in the description box. They were really cheap. It's probably not real gold, but it was really not a lot of money, a few euros, and they look really amazing. So I use this also for my painting.
I love to work with this gold leaf and it gives more depth and interest to the painting. You can fix it on the painting with glue. You can just do regular glue. I used some glue spray, which is not always very easy to use because you cannot see very well where you put it, but it worked fine. And I really love the result. It's beautiful. That's the result of a few hours painting with gold colors. I really love how it looks like. It's such an easy painting and it had such a great effect. I will use this painting in a room makeover for a friend of mine. It will be a surprise for her, so you will see it within a week or two on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.